Hello, you are welcome back. So in this class, we're going to be looking at how to merge and cut videos. Alright, we're going to be looking at how to cut videos and how to also merge videos. Alright, we're going to make use of this tool. This particular plus sign you are seeing here, it has been there since we didn't say anything about it. This plus sign has been here since, but we didn't say anything about it. I guess I forgot, but we are going to make use of it. That's what we need in order to add video or image to what we are doing here. For example, this is the video. So what I want to do, I want to cut this place. I want to separate here, between here to here. I want to bring it to the front. I want this video to be the first video that we see. So let me do that. So I will come here. Or let me just, from here. Alright, so I'm going to click on it. So I'll click on the video itself. Then I'm going to come here and click on split. Alright, I have your split here. Click on split. So as you can see, I have already split the video from here. That's why you're having something like this. Alright. So I'm going to scroll the last part. Okay, here. So I want this video to be from around here. So from there to here. So that I'll click on it. Take it to the part where I want. Okay, here I'll click on split again. So now you can see that we have our split from here to here. So these 2 points is what is indicating the split. So this video now will be splitted into two. So from here to here I'll split it. What I'm going to hold it for long press it and drag it to the front. Alright, so now let's go back to the beginning. That's it. Now, so this is supposed to be the beginning of the video. What I will now have here at the beginning, because we moved it from the middle to this place. Alright, so let me play again. I see that. Alright. So I'm going to take it to that part where we remove the video from. Here. Okay, you can see what happened because we removed that video from this place. So automatically the video is no longer here. Alright. So you can see I made some errors here. I removed this video from the center, this particular part from there to here. I removed it from here. Now if you are playing the video from here, you don't get that part again. So what I'm going to do now, what I should have done, I should have duplicated it. So I'm going to come here. So this is the part we want. I will come here and look for duplicate. Duplicate it. So this is not true. Let me play it so that you can see. So I'm going to long press it, then drag it to the other place. So let me play it now. So Now you can see from here the video still continue. Alright, so that is how to cut your video. So in case you want the particular attractive place of that video, you can say, let me play it. The video still continue, it didn't cut because I brought it back here. I'm supposed to duplicate it and take it to the front. So if you are watching any video, you discover that at the about maybe close to the end of the video, what you saw, the part you saw it at the beginning of the video, because that place is very attractive. As you can see, a lot of people are definitely going to want to know what is going on with this environment. So you pick the most attractive part of it. Now this one is what is different from this cover video. Cover video is what you see. Alright, so this first part is what we attract them to continue watching the video. So this part is the most interesting part. So this first four seconds, it takes people 3 seconds to scroll the video if they don't like what they see. So you are going to take advantage of that 3 seconds of your video. Alright, for those with the content creation class, this is very important. The first 3 seconds of your video, alright, so take note, the first 3 seconds of your video is very important. You take an average of 3 seconds before they scroll and pass. So if you have something like this, so they are most likely to continue watching. Alright, once they have spent 3 seconds and they like what they see, they are most likely to continue watching until they watch till the end. Okay, so yeah, you can also add video to this place. You can see, you say add pending. This part, we deleted the CapCut logo from here. We deleted the CapCut logo from this particular location, so it's empty. You can add, so you can add it back. You can see, once you add it, you have the logo. So there's no need, you don't need it, so you just remove it. Alright, it has been deleted now, so it's empty. Okay, now I think I deleted something. So this part, use this your direction to go back in case you make any mistake. So I'm going to hit that now, so I can go back. This call. So it's what you used to undo all the things you did wrong. So I'm just going to delete this. So now with this button, we can add another video. Alright, if you want to merge video with this particular video, you can come here and click on it. So it will take us to alright, something like this. Let's add this particular video. Alright, so you can see we add another video. So let's play it, let's see. So this is how you this is how you can cut and you position your videos, and you can also add to your video. So in our next class, we are going to look at other areas of CapCut. So don't forget, once you are done editing your videos, you will make sure you publish, you export, I mean to say, by clicking. Alright, so I'll see you in my next class.